Once upon a time, in the small town of Harmonyville, there lived a woman named Clara who had a peculiar talent. She could understand the language of animals. This extraordinary ability made her the talk of the town. One sunny morning, Clara decided to take a stroll in the nearby woods. As she wandered through the trees, she heard a soft whimper. Following the sound, she discovered a wounded bird with a broken wing. The bird, named Oliver, explained that he had been trying to build a nest for his family when he fell. Touched by his story, Clara gently mended Oliver's wing and promised to help him complete his nest. As they worked together, word spread through the animal kingdom about Clara's kindness. Animals from all around sought her help with various challenges. One day, a wise old owl named Hooty approached Clara with a request. The animals were facing a dilemma. Deforestation was threatening their homes. Clara, with her understanding of human language, decided to bridge the communication gap between the animals and the townspeople. She organized a meeting between the animals and the townspeople where they shared their concerns about the disappearing forests. The townspeople, moved by the plea of their furry and feathery friends, decided to work together to protect the environment. Clara's efforts led to the creation of a community initiative to plant more trees and preserve the natural habitat. The town of Harmonyville transformed into a haven where humans and animals coexisted peacefully. As Clara continued to use her gift to help both the human and animal communities, she faced challenges. Some people were skeptical of her abilities, considering them mere fantasy. However, Clara remained steadfast in her mission to create harmony between the two worlds. One day, a mischievous raccoon named Bandit approached Clara with a secret. He had overheard a group of individuals planning to cut down a large portion of the forest for a new development. Clara knew she had to act quickly. She gathered the animals and, with their help, devised a plan to peacefully protest against the deforestation. The animals, guided by Clara, organized a demonstration that caught the attention of the townspeople and the media. The public outcry against the planned development grew, and the authorities reconsidered their decision. Clara's efforts had not only saved the forest, but also brought the community closer together. In the end, Clara became a symbol of unity between humans and animals. Her story spread far and wide, inspiring other communities to find ways to coexist with nature. The town of Harmonyville became a shining example of how understanding and compassion could create a world where everyone, no matter their form, could live in harmony.